What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. So I got my new toy in. I tell you, I've been using the Carpet Pro for a while now, and I ran into a problem to where it's just a job that I did. I think what happened was my helper had vacuumed over the pre-sprayed area on this really bad carpet cleaning job we had to do, and it just my vacuums just stunk ever since. Instead of buying another Carpet Pro, I have been looking around for another one, and I've been doing a lot of research at the same time. You know, there's a lot to know about these things, right? So it's like you get one thing out of a carpet cleaner, but you won't get the other thing, right? The pros and cons, right? There's always the pros and cons. It's like, it seems like most of the carpet or the vacuums are either have one or the other. So after a lot of research and not a whole lot of reviews on this, a lot of good ones and a couple bad ones. But you know, I had the same issue with the Power Flight multi-wash. You know, there was not a lot on that, and so I just kind of risked it, and I'm happy I did because I love that thing. So this is the ProForce 1500 XP. All right, what I like about this, and the reason why I got it, is because I wanted something that the customer just didn't have, right? I don't like going into the customer's home with the same vacuum they have. Vacuuming is one of the main parts of carpet cleaning, is that dry soil removal. We gotta get rid of the dry soil as much as we can, okay, before we pre-spray. So after doing a lot of research and learning a lot about these things, I've learned a few things, okay. Your CFM is your the airflow, okay. Some say it's not that important, you know. There's a quarter test out there, or a penny test, you know. Then you got the rollers, okay. Let's flip this over. The roller, like this one, is wooden, all right. The really high price vacuums, they got metal pieces, okay, metal rollers. This has wooden, but then again, I don't have that price tag either. There's a couple different things about vacuums that I learned. There's direct air, and there's bypass units, okay. So direct air is something like the Kirby or the Royals, okay, and they have the inlet, the suction in the middle. Okay, bypass has the suction on one end. You know, where you have your tools come down, your hose comes down into the side. A lot of your household vacuums will have that. Well, this product that I picked out, no, it's not exactly in the middle, but it's not all the way over either, okay. So what happens when you have the opening over here, say if you're going along the wall, or say you're going along heavily soiled area, okay, the side with the hole on it's going to pick up more, and the other side's not going to pick up as much, right? So you're going to have to step over, so you get more even pickup when it's in the center. So this is not directly in the center, but it's better, okay, than all the way over. So that's a plus for this vacuum. I like it. And as far as the suction, well, I did a little practice on it, but I'm gonna do another little practice thing right now. I'm actually gonna lay down some stuff on the carpet here. And I'm gonna go over it and see if we can see if it's evenly picking up. What else I like about this is we do have the hose, right? You know, it's not really long. That is that's something I don't love about it, but you know, I don't want to get a vacuum that doesn't have a hose so you can put tools on it. So you can get extensions and stuff like that too. So it comes with a couple tools. I'm sure you can buy extra stuff, but I do have a bunch of adapters that I can use for upholstery. Pretty slick machine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay down some stuff, and we're gonna do a little practice on it, and we're gonna check out the sound and see how loud it is, and stay tuned. Okay, so I put down some coffee grounds, put down some powdered potatoes. Don't ask me why I have that. I'll tell you why I have powdered potatoes, because I like mashed potatoes and it's really easy. Yeah, it don't taste that bad. So so anyway, so I put this evenly across there. All right, so we're gonna see how evenly it picks up. So with this, you do that, your foot, and you got 3. So the one is for hard floors. So if you're vacuuming hard floors, the roller stops, and that's another reason why I like this machine too, is because the roller stops. Okay, you, like I said, you get pros and cons in all these things. You get one or the other. There's a lot of other vacuums that I like, but the roller keeps going. If you're doing upholstery or stairs or whatever, you're gonna be in one place a long time. You just don't want that roller to keep rolling, because you know what happens? It damages the rug, especially if you're sitting on carpet. I did it before. I know. I don't want to do that again. I learned all my mistakes. So when I was looking for a vacuum, definitely looking for one that the roller stops. Okay, and also when you turn it on, it doesn't activate until it comes back, right? So therefore, it's got 2 stages, right? It's got 2 motors. All right, so okay, roller stops. And when I bring it back, it activates it. The noise, it's not that bad, you know. I don't know how well you can tell by just listening to the camera, but I don't think it's so loud that it's gonna bug the customers at all. That's another pro. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this twice. Now let's keep an eye and see if it's an even pickup. I gotta tell you, it looks pretty even to me. That's good news. So yeah, I gotta tell you, I'm really happy with this, and for the price. I think I got this thing shipped to me from Amazon for $350, right around that. For $350, this thing's awesome. Okay, one thing I don't like about this vacuum is that the bags are really small. We're gonna see how long they last. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but you know, the bags are really cheap. I ordered a whole bunch of them for $10 on Amazon. Came here the next day, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that and see how quick they fill up, and keep playing on my van. But you got that filtration system that, you know, is really good for allergies and stuff like that. You know, I'm on that green tip, right? So bagged vacuums are always better than your canister, the bagless ones. So anyway, I love the thing. Can't wait to get out and use it. Keep it clean. Seems pretty sturdy. Handle could be a little bit more sturdy, I think, but we'll see how it holds up. Easy to put together. One screw here, a little push deal there. This clips right on, clips right off. You know, a lot of carpet cleaners nowadays they're using that workhorse, and Truman Steamer's using it. And when he gets something, everybody seems to get it. Yeah, he's got it like that. But one thing I didn't like about that is the roller doesn't stop moving. I don't know. All right, so there's one other thing that my wife brought up, and I forgot, and that was one of the main reasons why I got this vacuum, is how wide it is. We got 15 inches, so I'm all about efficiency. I'm all about getting things done, but doing a good job at it, right? So that just means vacuuming through a house is going to be so much quicker than a 12-inch. See, the problem with letting her do this, she ain't gonna want to give it back to me. I know it. She loves vacuums. The whole family loves vacuums. Our rugs are the most vacuumed rugs in the Central Coast, probably. Carpets. Real sturdy machine. All right, so I'm gonna call this a wrap. This is the ProForce 1500 XP dual motor and 4-level filtration. Clean for health. That's what I'm about. Green Rhino. Rhino tough, green safe. But the other way around. Green safe, Rhino tough. All right. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. See you in the next video.